Released in 2017, Destiny 2 is a free-to-play online multiplayer FPS title developed and published by Bungie. Over the years, developers have released several expansion packs and updates that help keep the game fresh. But frequent updates and changes to the game are bound to bring some bugs and issues with them. Destiny 2 players are now experiencing an issue where the game is crashing or getting stuck on loading whenever they try to enter the tower to buy gears and items from Banshee-44. Common troubleshooting solutions such as switching characters, verifying game files, restarting Steam, and relaunching the game do not seem to help at the moment. Thankfully, Bungie has acknowledged this issue and said that they're investigating it. However, they did not share any ETA of when it will be fixed. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.